Thank the gentleman from Wisconsin, and am just stunned by the misrepresentations of the previous opponent of this bill. Let me show you what's going on, really. Here is the habitat of the wolf. Clearly not endangered. On the red list, it's considered a species of least concern. Then, let's look at the habitat of the Shiras moose. This is Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, and going into Montana. The Shiras moose is in rapid decline, and it's because of this critter. Now, the gentleman from Oregon showed you little puppies as if they do no damage. Look at this moose. This Shiras moose is surrounded by wolves, and they're attacking that baby. And the reason this is such a big issue is they're wiping out the babies. So there's no longer a breeding population of moose or elk in major areas of this country, including the Lolo elk herd in Montana and the moose around the greater Yellowstone area in Wyoming. It's these baby moose they're after. They surround the mother, two of them distract the mother, and the rest of them take the babies. There are not enough breeding females left, so when the older females age out of the population, there are no breeding females to take their place. It is the wildlife that is getting decimated, Mr. Chairman. This is a wildlife issue. To save the moose, I strongly encourage the adoption of this amendment. I yield back.